Learn fast. Listen better. Subscribe for simple English. Oceans cover a large part of the Earth's surface and play a very important role in the environment, weather, and life on Earth. In this video, we will learn about how oceans were formed, their parts, and some interesting facts about them. Oceans were created about 4 billion years ago. At that time, Earth became cool enough for water vapor from volcanoes to turn into liquid and gather on the surface. Some scientists also believe that water came from icy comets that hit the Earth. Oceans are a big part of the water cycle. Water from the ocean evaporates and goes into the sky to make clouds. Then it falls as rain or snow. Later, rivers carry the water back to the ocean again. Did you know that over 50% of Earth's oxygen comes from tiny ocean plants? These plants are called phytoplankton. They do photosynthesis just like trees and help keep the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide on Earth. Oceans are full of life, and many sea animals and plants are used in medicine. Some cancer, pain, and virus medicines come from sea creatures. Ocean science may help us find more cures in the future. The ice in the Arctic and Antarctic reflects sunlight and helps keep the Earth cool. But with global warming, this ice is melting. This causes the sea level to rise and the climate to change more quickly. Did you know that the internet we use travels under the ocean? Special internet cables are placed on the ocean floor to connect different countries. Oceans are big bodies of salty water. They cover about 71% of the Earth's surface. Ocean water is mostly H2O water and salt, especially sodium chloride table salt. On average, each liter of ocean water has about 35 grams of salt. The 5 oceans are: 1. Pacific Ocean, the biggest and deepest ocean. It lies between Asia and Australia in the west and the Americas in the east. 2. Atlantic Ocean, the second largest between the Americas and Europe/Africa. 3. Indian Ocean, between East Africa, South Asia, and Australia. 4. Arctic Ocean, the smallest around the North Pole. 5. Southern Ocean, around Antarctica, also known as the Southern Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. It covers more than 165 million square kilometers. It is bigger than all the land on Earth. Ocean water is salty, but in places like river mouths, where fresh water enters, the salt level is lower. These places are called brackish water areas. Amazing ocean facts. Sound moves 4 times faster in water than in air. Sharks can feel Earth's magnetic field to find their way. The pressure in deep oceans can crush metal, but some animals still live there. In the deepest parts, it's completely dark, but some creatures glow with light. If you drop Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, representing a notable point of reference for ocean depth comparison, into the Mariana Trench, its top would still be underwater. More interesting facts. The name Pacific means peaceful. Explorer Ferdinand Magellan gave it this name because it was calmer than the Atlantic Ocean. Oceans are home to about 230,000 known species, but there may be millions more. The Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the world's oceans, approximately 11,000 meters deep, is the deepest place on Earth, about 11,000 meters deep. Oceans control weather and temperature by moving heat around the world. Many mountains are under the ocean, and some become islands. Oceans hold 97% of Earth's water. Only 3% is fresh water. Over 80% of the ocean is still unexplored. Why oceans are important. Oceans give us food, medicine, jobs, and oxygen. They help the Earth stay cool and clean the air by taking in carbon dioxide. We must protect the oceans and use their resources wisely to help the Earth and future generations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.